Every nurse watching this right now is either interested in changing their life or committed to making it happen. And in 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly why that difference will make or break your future. So let's consider a few different nurses and the paths that they took. First, there's Jessica. Jessica loved the idea of legal nurse consulting. She joined every Facebook group. She saved 20 Instagram posts about freedom. And she's talked about it for the last 3 years. But she never invested in training. She has never contacted a single attorney. She never took any real action. And today, she's still working night shifts, still missing her kids' games, still checking her bank account before buying groceries. Now, let's look at April. April wanted change, and she knew that legal nurse consulting was a way out, but she wanted to be frugal and spend as little as possible to launch her business. She joined every free group that she could about legal nursing. She enrolled in a bargain program that she thought was a good deal to try to learn how to be successful. And she struggled. She struggled to gain new attorneys. Has very rarely gotten repeat business. And she's been just scraping by as a legal nurse consultant for the last couple of years. But she never joined a comprehensive mentorship program. Instead, she thought she was going to invest in training that was supposed to be a bargain, and it ended up not giving her what she needed to truly change her future. So she wasted her money, she wasted her time, she wasted her energy, and she wasted 2 years that she could have been succeeding. She also never learned how to really connect with her prospects. Even though she tried over and over again, and she's been unable to gain this traction because she was never taught an effective marketing strategy. And even though she might not know it, she probably has a run-of-the-mill work product, which is never going to get attorneys coming back. She also never reached the lifestyle that she's been dreaming about because her shortcut ended up being the extremely long way around. Today, she's stressed. She's struggling to be a business owner. She's working so much that she's still missing time with her family, and she's still checking her bank account before she makes any large purchase. But then we have Maria. Maria heard about legal nurse consulting work, and it really grabbed her attention. And within the first 72 hours, she watched a number of videos on my YouTube channel. She signed up for the free introductory training. She booked a roadmap call with us. She enrolled in Catalyst. And she landed her first case within only 10 days of starting her marketing strategy. And she had over 30 cases within just a few months of marketing. And today, she continues to grow her business. Today, she works when she wants to. She works where she wants to. She doesn't even work full-time shifts. She doesn't even work 40 hours a week some weeks. It's all up to her. And she earned more last quarter than her annual salary at the bedside. And she's consistently using subcontractors now. She's looking to expand her team now and to scale even more. So here's what interested nurses don't realize. I'm not interested. I mean interested, not committed. Number one thing that interested nurses seem to space. The body, it keeps score. Chronic stress has been proven through an NIH study to shave 12 to 15 years off of your lifespan. Missing milestones with your kids, look, that is something you'll never get back. Number two thing that they miss is the financial trap. See, hospital wages cannot outpace inflation. Your paycheck buys less and less every year. Even if it's going up, it's not going up as fast as inflation. And saving money on a bargain program is not going to get you where you want to go. You end up wasting time and money. And retirement for us nurses, most nurses can't even afford to stop working at 65. Number three thing you're missing, the legacy that you're losing. See, your kids are watching you and they're learning that hard work equals exhaustion instead of smart work equals freedom. And your unused potential literally helps no one, not your patients, not your family, and definitely not you. The shift to commitment happens when you really define and believe in your why. Is continuing like this really an option? It happens when you burn the boats and fully commit. I want you to do a few things. I'm going to put in the comments a free downloadable, I call it the 5-second commitment quiz. It's literally just a few questions to determine if you're committed. It's free. Just click the link and download it. Then click that link and watch our free training. After you watch the training, book that call and do it today. Don't wait. Take the first steps before you feel ready, because ready sometimes never comes. And then I also want you to embrace what I call the 30-day challenge rule. So for the next month, I'm going to act as if my future depends on this, because guess what, guys? It does. I want you to know and understand that at Catalyst, we only work with committed nurses. We don't let just anyone in. Here's what that looks like when you join Catalyst. You get a 1-year success roadmap that shows you exactly what to do each week. You get comprehensive work product creation training. You'll actually write real case reviews and get individualized feedback. And you'll get our attorney acquisition system, including scripts, templates, and coaching. And you get coaching not just from me, but from many 6-figure legal nurses. No more guessing. We even offer one-on-one mentorship sessions if you're up for that. So why wait? Click below, download the content, watch the free training, and book a call with my team. This is your moment to commit.